joto sengkara ge bakhe lukurok tabuk baksaba Astabal thungnoklau he Kwchalaijak Thangmanlyakho hasali phainirok tabuk naikolnai joto leader jok borno phai malai tongphaibayo party muno kitingai kokrok sunglai tonglayo tamung kha bahai ingka abno kitingai oro kwbangma Lukurok Kwchalaijak eko angni hampan oro 2-300 jon borok tongkho yango haikena police proshashan no bo police nai mothang ro bo morok laijak belai kena kirima singse party mungtini romanis kibni bagwi coba khlaijani o kwbangma rongsirnai rok sago dokuman bai khe tabo baksaba GBP saknai nogo thangbai sogujak party mungo dokumanai sak derawoi ekena hasalni phainai rok ingka dakphana Thangmanlyakho borok yango sumnangno phunugoi tongo jotono kini romanis kibni coba phainai joto Lukurok Astabal thungnoklau Kwchalaijak Thangmanlyakho ma Thanglyakho baksaba khorok phadi baikha yak dokuman baikha haikena GBP saknai nogo baksa sogujak tabuk oro kisasok EM tei MLA rok phainani kok borno nasinglai mani bising dikhe oro kuthum laijak Jangai keno sak dokumanai rok khorok bosok angni hanpano 15 eba khorok chibani sakao sak dokumanai rok akena GBP saknai nogo sogujak sanga borno bosong adangno phungnani chai tongnai update dinai
June 2023. Just now I heard the bad news regarding the police atrocities, and I strongly condemn the incident. The police personnel attacked our innocent student who are having peaceful movement. As you all know, the Roman script in Khorang is a long demand. For the last 50 years, our Tisalainai people are demanding for implementation of Khorang in Roman script. It is very sensitive demand and serious demand. Today, the student wing of the Promoter Party have launched the movement, peaceful movement, the petition to the governor of Tripura, and while they are marching, peacefully towards Governor House. There were staff on the way, and some of our volunteers, some of the student leaders went for submitting the memorandum to the governor of Tripura. But very unfortunately, the governor did not entertain to meet our leaders, student leaders. It is very sad news. Being a guardian of the state, the governor is not willing to attend and to meet our student leader. This message was got by the students who are having demonstration, and they're very upset. And it is very sad to know, having the peaceful movement for the Roman script in Khorang, some of the arrogant police officers attacked our student, and I have a list here, the name. Around 7 of them, 3 girls, 3 boys, are seriously injured, and they were admitted to the hospital, Jibo hospital, and we are monitoring about their health condition. And it's very unfortunate to know that in our own land, the son of the soil, the student, were tortured and harassed in this kind of situation. And as you all know, this is the first movement organized by the student wing of Tripura. And it is our nation to know that in near future, we are going to have an aggressive movement with a large number. Because today, unfortunately, we don't have a large number, only we are around 2,000. But in near future, we will invite all the student communities who are supporting our Roman script demand, and hopefully, in very near future, we are going to organize peaceful movement for demand of Roman script. And as you all know, our people are suffering for long years, for the last 50 years. Till now, the state government are not taking very seriously about these Roman script issues. We have experienced for the last 30 years of Congress rule government, they are also not taking care of this. And again, left from government for the last 25 years, they are also not taking care of this. And again now, BJP government for the last 5 years, they are also not taking serious about this matter. And we believe, because anything, we are having the peaceful movement, were attacked and harassed by the police personnel. And in next course of action, we'll plan out how to move our movement, how to launch our movement. And we believe our genuine demand of the Roman script will be implemented very soon. And I, as an ex-minister, I have a lot of experience regarding this Roman script movement. The Roman script Khorang was introduced in GDRDC areas. And even there is a file going on. And suddenly the BJP government, some of the BJP leaders are demanding Devanagari script. It's very unfortunate. Till date, the government of Tripura cannot decide which script to be adopted, whether Bengali script, Roman script, or then Devanagari script. They are confused. But it is people demand. 90% people who speak Khorang are demanding Roman script. It is a favorable script. We all know. But I don't know why the government of Tripura is ignoring the genuine demand. I think time is already enough. In the next course of action, we'll plan out. We'll immediately have a meeting with our senior leader of Tripura, and we'll decide in the course of action. And here I want to read out some of the injuries person of our student, Uttam Tripura, who was really seriously injured, and Junu Rani Deborma, also in the hospitalized. It's a young girl. Sonia Deborma is from Gabodi school, also very seriously injured. Prince Deborma, also seriously injured. And Bethsaba Deborma, also seriously injured. Muskan Deborma is very young and dynamic leaders. Ladies also seriously injured. And Chhadra Deborma, coordinator, also seriously injured. The 7 of the students are very seriously injured. And we are monitoring their situation, we are helping them out. Now, all our senior leaders, immediately I called them meeting. Maybe today, tomorrow we'll have a meeting and we'll see, we'll find out a solution. Thank you. Tini belakhe, tini khak tongtheng kha, ang bohatini phaidrop, ang khanaka, tini sikarok, tini pramothani satroni songothon, KSF rok, peaceful borok, shanti shrinkhola khlai borok, boro movement khai tongmani, boro deportation demani, boro Astabal mat hoite, boro Astabal, boro march khaikha, tara boro stop khaikha, police rok, boro bathai tongkha, tini 6-7 jon tini leader rok, satra borok thangka governor house, deportation den bagwi, memorandum submit khaina bagwi, khana khang tini governor boro kono malaina surilia, he is not entertaining. Governor ঠিক আছে এখন কিন্তু governor is a guardian of our state. But governor বতরানো শান্তনারো নাংমানি কক থানা নাংমানি কিন্তু ফিয়াং খানাকা গভর্নর বরণ মালাইয়া মনে সেক্রেটারি বরণ নাংমানি সেক্রেটারি না বড় হগই বড় কাগজ বরণ মালাইয়া অ্যাকসেপ্ট খাইকা আবো খানাগই তিনি শিকার হিসা দুখনাংকা খেত এজিটেটিংকা আমরা তিনি পুলিশ রক বরণ অ্যাটাক খাইকা বরণ ওয়াটার কারেন্ট টির বরণ সারকা লাঠি চার্জ খাইকা অবংনা টংমানিয়া পিসফুল কক সালাইগৈ नेसे खाइगे बरनो रहना तंगमनि जदि बरनो अमाय एक्शन नामरे बागै बलाइखन दुर्भाग्य दिबरे अनफॉर्चुनेट मनि बागै आं थाखानाय दिनै बिजेपि सरकार बरनि कोनो बरनि फिलिंग करै दिनै कबर रोमान स्क्रिप्ट अब सासननि दाबिया 50 বছর सिगां अब दाबि खाइ दङ बे जों नुखा गोबांमा अरा जागा जों रिसार्च खाइखा कमिसन आजखा भाषा कमिसन आजखा तीनटा भाषा कमिसन आजगै उ भाषा कमिसन रिपोर्ट बहायनो अब सरकारनि रिपोर्ट अब जत्तनो ककबरक रोमांटिक सबूत खाई जो फियाबा सरकार स्थिति दै लोक तो इबार दो अपना चापारई दंगो आमनि बागै ताबो तिनि जनगण रक बिसोर तिनि छात्र रक तिनि यंग जनरेशन द इंटेलेक्चुअल ग्रुप स्टूडेंट सोसाइटी रक रियलाइज संका जों आमना जों तिनि नॉर्मल कोर्स जों माइया जों स्ट्रंग जों मुभमेंट मा खायने जों सालायनाय तिनि छात्रनो बाहायख्लाय जों तेबो गोबां खाय जों एग्रेसिव मुभमेंट खायनाय अरमा जों लिसननाय आंखाखौ दिनै जास्ट दिनै लेसन जोंना बर' हारासन खायखा आमनि जों पुलिस सालायनाय जे पुलिस इनभल्व नाय रक लाठि चार्ज खाय रक बुनाय रक न एक्शन आरा बाय जों सालायनाय बरनो आरो डिजि दङ आइडि दङ जों बर' सालायनाय जे आंखाखौ जों जत्तनो ताबुक जों मा बुजिनाय तमा सिपिएम खायनाय तमा कांग्रेस खायनाय तमा बिजेपि खायनाय जत्तनो वानसक सिदि तिनि हागो दङै तिनि नगो दङै जों बर' जों हानि बोसा जों बुइ पुत्र जों जि तिनि कग्नेस जों तिनि मासुया तिनि इच्छा मते तिनि मुजुमा महायके जों ककबरक जों मासुया बुइसि तिनि हातनि फायो तिनि बर' तिनि दङै दङ बाक्साव देबान डिग्री सिम मानाय बांला सिम मानाय बरक सि दिते खाइ दङ बेलाय आसाम सिसा माने बगे आं खाबाबो एनाफ इस एनाफ जदेस जों बुगिखा जों साफारोंखा जों जदेस तो साइमा खताबो जों तिनि सिकारक आं कयनाय जत्तनो नों सिपिएम ताहेरि कांग्रेस जाहेरि जत्तनो तिनि मान थाइनो तिनि ककबर मान स्क्रिप्ट जों अर तिनि 80% तिनि बाथ्रा जों ककबर कक साबो बियाबा तिनि ककबर बर इग्नोर खाइ दङ तिनि अनेक जों डेभलपमेन्ट खामथिन ककबर जोंनि पास राज्य लोगो मिजोराम बर ककबर बरनि बासाम रोमान सिबाय सुयो बर इउनिभार्सिटी पीएचडी बर खाइ दङ बर रोमान सिक ककबर बरनि मिजु बासाबाय मेघालया आरो भाइनि बर रोमान स्क्रिप्ट नाइ तो पुरा सुइ दङ बरनि बासा बर इउनिभार्सिटी पुरा रिसार्च खाइ पीएचडी खाइयो लेक्चर खाइ दङ एकले बर तिनि जों नइ दङ तिनि नाइबारिं स्टेट न फियाबा बर हंके बर तिनि चापारगै जे जागा तिनि बांला स्क्रिप्ट बा देमन स्क्रिप्ट तिनि कोनो जों सुइमैया दिउन जों खापेरमाया बर सितुदैनि किन्तु तिनि बर चापारय दङ एनाफ इज एनाफ जों दङ साइमानो दाबो जरांखा जों तिनि 50 बছর जों बुगिखा आं तो कयनाय तिनि सिकारक उचिबासिदि जों केबलनि पार्टी पुरता हानसिदि तिनि कग्न तिनि मानि कग्न जों डेभलप खायना बागै जों साइमानो रोमान स्क्रिप्ट साइन्टिफिक आं अरे तिनि साना बसु अनेक बिजेपि नेता रक साउ आं खानाबो रोमान स्क्रिप्ट गाबो फातानि भाषा फातानि स्क्रिप्ट आं अरे प्रमाण ना बसुगु दे भेरी शेमफुल टू से तिनि भारतनि संविधान द कन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया ऑल टू रिटेन रोमान स्क्रिप्ट नों दिनै संविधान नों बावबाय सथ्रिबाय सुइदि नों देमानायगिरिबाय सुइदि दिनै भारतनि संविधान गोथार संविधान बसि दिनै रोमान स्क्रिप्ट सुइंगाय ताङै जों दिनै गावखौनो जों रोमान स्क्रिप्ट सुइनायना ए अमाहाय बर अजुक्ति कक सागै जों बर खाइ दङ मिसलेट खाइ दङ आं खागागो Khorang je obo samar obastop जों gotono roman script nayo जों majority जों gotono roman script hanjago angkhago tama BJP सरकार tama Congress सरकार tama जेबो सरकार फायदों जों जेखौनो जों दिनै क'क्राझार roman script जों आदाय खायनाय अब दिनै वानसकमा अब दिनै दाबि angkhago जों gotono जों next course of action जों खायनाय हामबाय
गना रक्सिनी एक्स मिनिस्टर मेबर कुमार जमाते साने खोकते खानायमान खाना ब फुल डिटेल साइ खानारिका पार्टी मुनो कितनेबो हाइकेना फादि जों नायलायनाय बरक बसक कसाजाक नर अंयामपाना 2-300 बरक कसाजाक ख saya kari Hambai seperti logima baginai Kwchalaijak taku bohosong roman script coba fainai taku bohosong taksu jara Thangmanlyakho borokno rohorani sai tolai tonglayo sampa ninge thangbai gayang hasale fainero thangmanbayo khoni baginai tabukoro joto morok laijak police nai mothangrok botongo police proshashan no boyango akar morok laijak joto Lukurok no yang obo taksu jara sing hanai tisa live stream oro mathak laisinai logiriba bagai blacken hambai 318 jona taku bohsona blacken hambai hake singbai logi tongan bagai nai te like 75 hambai oba ke tongan bagai nai singte ba update dinai tabuk GBP sak nai nogo thangan bagai nai sing Kwchalaijak sing tini ni update nong no khunukna ni sai tongnai hambai asujarte singbai tongan bagai